Hi, my name is LaJoie's. I'm a fifth generation potato grower in Van Buren, Maine. Today we're going to show you how to make a simple potato dish using the barbecue grill. My daughter Catherine's going to show you how we make it. So take it away, Catherine.
We don't make potatoes on the grill, and it's my favorite. We're going to use lots of potatoes today. What we're going to do first, we're going to use this oil, and then we're going to spray with olive oil, and then we're going to lay these potatoes. First, you lay them nice and steady. And then you lay them nice and flat. Then you set them on each side. Now we're going to lay this in order, and then we're going to do first salt, and then second pepper. That's probably enough salt for now. Next we use pepper. That's probably enough, and then now we're going to wrap this up. Hi guys, I'm here to show you how to put it on a grill. So put your potatoes on medium heat, and then you lay them out, and then let them cook for about 30 minutes, and then you have delicious potatoes.